Living in Miami Beach means enjoying stunning views, warm breezes, and year-round sunshine, but it also means dealing with a humid coastal climate that can be tough on your home's windows. Salt air, moisture, intense UV rays, and strong winds can all affect the performance and longevity of your windows, especially if they aren't properly weatherproofed. For homeowners who prefer the timeless style and easy functionality of double-hung windows, ensuring they are protected from the elements is essential. Here's how weatherproofing double-hung windows improves durability, comfort, and efficiency in Miami Beach homes, and why investing in proper protection today can save you from costly repairs down the road. Protecting against constant humidity and salt air. One of the greatest challenges in Miami Beach is the constant exposure to humidity and salt air. Over time, these conditions can lead to warped window frames, corrosion on hardware, fogging between glass panes, mold or mildew growth. Weatherproofing your double-hung windows helps combat these issues by creating a moisture-resistant barrier that protects both the frame and the glass. Modern weatherproofing methods include sealing gaps, applying protective coatings, and choosing materials that resist corrosion, all of which help extend your window's lifespan despite the coastal climate. Enhancing window seals to prevent air leaks. In a hot, humid environment, air leaks can make your home feel uncomfortable and cause your cooling system to work overtime. Double-hung windows have two operable sashes, which creates more opportunities for air infiltration if they aren't properly sealed. Weatherproofing strengthens these seals using high-quality weather-stripping durable sash locks, tight-fitting frames, insulation around the window opening. These enhancements prevent warm, moist air from entering your home and stop cool, conditioned air from escaping. The result? Better indoor comfort and reduced energy costs. Guarding against heavy rain and tropical storms. Miami Beach homeowners know that heavy rain and storm activity are part of coastal living. Double-hung windows that aren't weatherproofed can allow water to seep in through small gaps, especially during wind-driven rainstorms. Weatherproofing solutions include waterproof caulking around exterior frames, proper flashing to direct water away, sloped sills that prevent pooling, reinforced meeting rails for extra tight closure. By improving your window's resistance to moisture penetration, weatherproofing helps protect your home's interior from leaks, water damage, and mold growth during stormy weather. Improving energy efficiency year-round. Miami Beach homeowners depend on their air conditioning nearly all year, making energy efficiency a major priority. Weatherproofing double-hung windows reduces energy loss while helping maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient enhancements commonly include low-E glass coatings that reflect heat-insulated or double-pane glass, argon gas fills for superior insulation, heat-resistant frame materials. With these features, your windows help block UV rays and heat gain during the hottest months, keeping your home cooler and more comfortable. Increasing durability with the right window materials. Not all window materials perform equally well in coastal environments. Weatherproofing often involves choosing or upgrading to materials designed to handle salt, moisture, and heat. The best materials for Miami Beach homes include vinyl, highly resistant to moisture and corrosion; fiberglass, extremely durable and stable; aluminum with corrosion-resistant coating. These materials are less likely to warp, rot, or corrode, ensuring your double-hung windows perform reliably for years. Minimizing maintenance and extending window lifespan. Weatherproofed windows require far less maintenance, which is important for busy homeowners. With protective coatings, durable seals, and moisture-resistant materials, your double-hung windows will stay cleaner, stronger, and more efficient with minimal upkeep. This means fewer repairs, less repainting or resealing, longer-lasting hardware, better long-term performance. Final thoughts. Weatherproofing double-hung windows is one of the most valuable steps Miami Beach homeowners can take to protect their homes from humidity, salt air, and coastal weather conditions. From preventing leaks and reducing energy loss to prolonging window lifespan and improving indoor comfort, a well-weatherproofed window is an investment that pays off year after year. Whether you're upgrading older windows or installing new double-hung units, proper weatherproofing ensures your windows are ready for everything Miami Beach's climate brings, while keeping your home comfortable, efficient, and protected.